Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be using ChatGPT for business ideas, and maybe you can even come up with a business plan for yourself. Let's begin. This is very simple to use, and all we need to do is enter in ChatGPT and what we want to tell ChatGPT in order for us to get the results that were desired. So I'm going to come up with a scenario that talks about, let's say, as an example, what I might want to do, what is going to involve, and then we'll go from there. All right, so here we could always put write a business plan, but it's just so bland and so bored. You are not going to get a great answer. The more specific you are, the better answer you are going to get. So write a business plan that revolves around creating YouTube videos, reviewing products that I own, and collaborating with companies. Press the enter and see what we get. So ChatGPT really went all out when it comes to this business plan, and keep it in mind, this is also like related to business ideas. If I scroll up, there are a good amount of content, and like the executive summary, the business plan is to create YouTube videos, review products owned by the creator, and collaborating with companies for sponsored content. The goal is to build a brand that is recognized for honest and reliable reviews of products that are useful to viewers. The next can be market analysis. The market for product review videos on YouTube has been growing rapidly. Many reviewers trust these videos when they are making purchasing decisions. The creator's focus will be on reviewing these product, home application, and beauty products, as these categories have a high demand for review on YouTube. The creator will also target the millennial and generation Z audience, as they are primary consumer of this product. Marketing strategy: the creator will market the YouTube channel by using social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. The creator will also collaborate with others YouTube creators with similar interests, promoting each other's channel. The creator will create engaging and informative videos content to attract more viewers and retain existing audience. Then revenue streams: the primary source of revenue will be through sponsored content with companies. The creator will reach out of companies in the relevant industry for collaboration. Revenue will also come from affiliate marketing, where the creator will receive a communication for every sale made through the affiliate link on their channel. Additionally, the creator will monetize the YouTube channel through ads. Then cost, the primary cost of the business will be the cost of purchasing the product that the creator will review. Then blah blah blah. Then can be financial plan. The financial plan will depend on the number of the sponsored collaboration the creator can secure. The creator will need to create content that is engaging and informative to attract and retain viewers. The creator will also need to be consistent in uploading videos to increase the likelihood of reaching the monetization. There's all on YouTube. The creator will track the revenue and expense of the business to ensure profitability. Then next can be conclusion. Creating YouTube videos, reviewing product, and collaborating with companies can be a profitable business if executed well. The creator will need to focus on creating engaging and informative content, collaborating and companies, and promoting the channel on social media platform to attract viewers. With hard work, dedication, and creativity, the creator can build a brand that is recognized for honest and reliable review of products that are useful viewer. Let's break it down a little bit more. So here where we can break it down to get more ideas, I put give me some categories of content for my fitness wellness YouTube channel. Alright, Here are some categories of content that you can consider for your fitness and wellness YouTube channel, like workout routines. You can create video that demonstrate various workout routine that viewers can follow along with, such as strength training, yoga, and the next can be nutrition and diet tips. You can create a video that provide nutrition and diet advice, such as healthy meals prep ideas, tips for eating clean, and recipes for healthy snacks. The number 3 can be wellness and mindfulness. Number 4 can be review and product recommendation. Number 5, challenge and collaboration. Number 6, Q&A sessions. Number 7 can be motivational content. Number 8 can be fitness and wellness event. Number 9, proposal blog. Here you could say like, give me even more categories. Enter. Here are some additional categories of content for your fitness and wellness YouTube channel, like body positivity. Then number 12, injury prevention and recovery. Number 13 can be travel and fitness. Number 14, mind body connection. And number 15, fitness of specific groups. Number 16, goal setting and achievement. Number 17, fitness strength. Number 18, personal development. Number 19, fitness myths and misconceptions. And number 20 can be community building, like you can create videos that build a sense of community. Okay, people do that, they hang out in groups, just a very quick video. I don't know if it was that quick, but a video overall. When it's come to using ChatGPT for your business ideas and a business plan, if you have any question, feel free to leave comments down below. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, as I will be doing plenty more AI related video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.